Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add clickable links to YouTube videos. First of all, we open our YouTube channel. Once the YouTube channel is open in front of you, then drag our cursor over here, and here you will see a button of Customize Channel. Just click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. Once the new format is open in front of you, here we will just go to the left side of your PC screen, and here you will see a button of Contact. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. Once it's open, here you can see my video. Here we will just drag our cursor over 3 dots and click on it. After clicking, these options will appear. In this option, we will click on Edit Title and Description. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, you can see, and description, 2 links are linked with my YouTube channel. The first one is YouTube, and the second one is GitHub. Now we will just close this format. After closing, we will just drag our cursor over the video and click on View on YouTube. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, you can see my video, and here I will just scroll down and click on the More button. You can see 2 links are available. The first one is clickable, and the second one is not clickable. The reason the second link is not clickable is that the https :// is not added with that link. So add https :// with your link instead of that. Your link will not be clickable in your YouTube video. That's all the way to add clickable links to YouTube video. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.